I was so curious on new ways of leading and organizing in my daily work. I've searched for new ways and found some pieces here and there, but then I heard about that this is something really, really exciting, so I was curious. My reflections after 3 days is I've got so much with me. I have to digest this. I will have to repeat it. I think this is just the beginning of a learning, a long learning. But I also see some things I can take with me immediately and start to use, and I hope that I will be able to do that. What I feel is most relevant is our capability to make decisions, and not decisions based on one person, but decisions that many people stand behind. And that is an art in itself. And I think here I've seen how you can do it with participation, and that was beautiful. What I bring with me back home immediately, and what I will try to start to work with, is decision making. Because that's something I struggle with sometimes when it's decisions that should be built on many people's viewpoints. So consent decision making, which is what I've learned here, where you use your science, the thumbs up, objection, concerns. I think that's just brilliant, and I think that could help us to be much more effective and also efficient when we make decisions. That is something I will bring with me. What I would like to share more is I have done organizational changes myself, and big changes in business and business setups. I've been looking for ways to organize, and that has been very hard to find, but I think here there are new thoughts, and they are just there if you are interested to learn about it. Yeah? But you have to be brave and courageous. It's not easy to change old behaviors.